Everyone, welcome back to ICO Review. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am a crypto enthusiast, so please take everything I say in this video in that context. We're going to be diving into Naga. Now, Naga ICO is maybe definitely the most ambitious project I have ever read. They have some big, crazy goals. And I think they're going about awareness the right way. So let's go for a scroll because there's an important name attached to this project that you'll all probably know, Roger Ver. Now, given recent events and everything happening with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash and whatever, it doesn't matter what you think of Roger Ver. What matters is that his name is attached to the project because his name will bring awareness. And that is super important in an oversaturated space, regardless of the industry. So his name will bring awareness to Naga. Now, let's try and go over for you all what Naga is trying to achieve here. Naga is born of a German financial technology company that during their initial public offering broke records in German finance for the fastest IPO in 15 years. So that says something. Again, we've got Roger Ver bringing some attention to it. Then we've got the attention of all of the initial investors out in the financial world that bought into this company before they entered into the ICO. At a glance, Naga it's a full ecosystem. That's really the only way I can explain it. They have a wallet, Naga Wallet, to store Naga coin. But you can store other cryptocurrencies in the Naga Wallet as well. Along in the wallet, there'll be a risk evaluation system that indicates whether you can sell or whether you should, given market conditions, sell or buy a particular coin that is supported in Naga. The wallet will be connected to a credit card. I imagine that'd be MasterCard or Visa. But we're storing currency. We can now spend currency on real-world items. Naga coins are usable on Naga's pre-existing app called SwipeStock, where you can use the Naga coin to purchase stocks or other cryptocurrencies. So the Naga coin will be interchangeable with other investment forms, whether it be crypto or whether it be stocks, which is pretty freaking cool in my opinion. The features on SwipeStocks, and by the way, SwipeStocks is an app owned by this company, and it's already functional. It already has a whole bunch of users on it. So that's more attention that's going to be coming back into this ICO from the SwipeStocks app. They've got a captive audience already, which is absolutely beautiful. The features on the app, we've got social trading. We saw eToro pick that up earlier in the year. So you can copy the trades of successful traders that you follow on the platform. And you also have the option of utilizing a trading bot on the Naga platform as well, which is maybe I need to see what other bots there are out there, but I know that Gunbot has been quite popular, especially in the YouTube space with referrals, etc. I'm wondering if that's going to be any competition for Gunbot there. We will see. I'm not an expert on these things. The cool thing about the social trading aspect of Naga is that if enough people copy your trades, follow your trades, then you'll get compensated for your contribution to the community in Naga coin. So you see what I mean by ecosystem? There's so much going on here, but it all ties in beautifully. It's got all this lovely little bow. And weirdly enough, I'm only halfway through my list. Excuse the sound of paper. Zwitex. I've got a tab here for Zwitex. So Zwitex is a really cool concept. It's an independent marketplace for virtual goods. What that means is for my game, I can buy my swords here. That is fascinating. So instead of having in-game microtransactions, we have a gaming community here. I presume maybe something like Steam. You'll have multiple games linked into it, and you can buy items for your particular game, much like you would on the PlayStation Network, for instance. The difference here being that much like the trading platform where you can spend Naga on stocks and then cash out stocks for Naga, if there is a demand in the game for a particular sword that you bought early on, you can sell that sword back to the marketplace for a profit. That is insane thinking. And I freaking love it. I absolutely love it. Now, whether you're operating on Swipe stocks or on Switex, you can earn Naga just by creating transactions between the two. I don't fully conceptualize that. I need to look into that a bit further. There's an academy. Finance isn't enough for them. Money isn't enough for them. They're going for education too. Money, gaming, education. What more do you need in life? They're creating a place to spend Naga on courses and on education. I'm blown away by this project. It is. Is it too ahead of its time? Is it? I don't know. I don't know if it's too ahead of its time, but it excites me. It really, really excites me. I don't know what to expect. I am definitely going to jump in on this project, and I'm going to be following it extremely, extremely closely. So here's something we'll start doing: the checklist. Team, existing product and platform, awareness, and date of the ICO, or in this case, pre-ICO. The team, we've already seen the size of the team. It's huge. And we have some Roger Ver on there as well. Support and awareness, fantastic. Existing platforms and protocol, the only physically tangible, tradable, movable thing right now is the Swipe Stocks platform. Already has a whole bunch of users. Fantastic. Step in the right direction. Awareness, have a look at all of this media. Facebook, they're on BitTalk, they're on Twitter. They've got a solid YouTube channel. They're putting up regular content. If you have 13 hours ago, one day ago. Yeah, it's quite recent. But the point is they're moving, they're laying the groundwork, and they've even got an Instagram. And final piece is the date of the pre-ICO. And the date of pre-ICO, if my maths is correct, should be the 19th. Should be the 19th the 19th here in Australia, so that might be the 18th for the rest of the world, depending. We will see. Thanks for sticking in there with me. There was a lot to go through with this ICO. All the relevant links will be in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.